welcome back. We're here with a cool afternoon snack called pumpkin pasties. Ta-da! And these are homemade. They usually cost a lot more money if you go to Universal and stuff like that.
Definitely.
But these are homemade, so go ahead and put those down. And let me tell you what you're gonna need. You're gonna need, and I'm gonna give a recipe down below of what to do, because what I did with this that a lot of people don't do is I actually created a pumpkin pie filling. So we're gonna get a can of pumpkin, and we're gonna get, we don't know where this came from, but we're gonna get some rolled pie crust. We're gonna need an egg for an egg wash over, and we need a cutter to cut out the little shapes that we're gonna do, and that's it. So this is my actual, and you can see it, this is my actual pumpkin pie that I made. Like, it's pumpkin pie guts, literally, pumpkin pie guts with brown sugar and a little bit of maple and some whipping cream and condensed milk. So let's get the show on the road. Let's get one of these pie crusts rolled out. What you're gonna do very cleverly is you're going to make little circles all the way around and try to use as much space as you can. There you go. And while he does that, I will get an egg ready. And I need to put the egg guts somewhere, but I'll just use this. You know, I'm the mother of cleverness, so I don't know where to put the egg. So I'm just gonna drop it in there. Excellent. Okay, now we're gonna lift these up. Dun ta da! Dun ta da ta da! Look at that.
So easy.
But now you're like, well, we need two for each one, right? One for the top, one for the bottom. Look at this. Look at this. Watch this magic. How many do we have, child?
An uneven amount.
An uneven amount, but look what we have here.
Oh,
I don't even need flour or anything. You just like roll it into a ball, smush it down, and then here.
Smush it. Oh.
If you don't have a rolling pin, guys, just use a cup.
Genius.
Just use a cup. Just smack it out there. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Sorry that my ring making all that noise. All right, so try to get it as flat as the other ones, as flat as you can. And then, ta-da!
Perfect.
Probably could be flattened out a little more. Here, try to flatten that out, like with the bottom there. All right, then what we're going to do, so we got them all paired up. One pair, two pairs. So go ahead, just get a scoop. So get a little mini ice cream scooper, or use a spoon, but I like these because you don't get your hands all messy. Go for it. Just one scoop is good. Go ahead. Don't be afraid.
Just
You
one
can
on each.
put a little more. A little more.
Just a little.
Little more. A little more. There you go. And then you're going to push that in. And then you're going to cover that up. And then you're just going to smush it down all the way around. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill, and you're going to do this part. Or do you like to fill? You like to fill?
Filling.
He likes filling. He shall fill, and I shall smoosh. Go. There you go. Smoosh. And because this is cooked, you can eat it as you go along. So yes, pumpkin spice season's coming. That's what back to school means. It's pumpkin spice season. And you can use this for scones, or if you want, you can mix that with butter and make pumpkin butter. Or you can mix it with cream cheese. And then what you're going to do is put this in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees and check it at around 10 minutes just to make sure it's still golden brown. Don't let the edges get too burnt, because then it's not yummy. And then I will transfer these to a baking sheet. You get 8 in a pie sheet. So, not 8 rounds, but that means 4 pasties. But if you want, you can also make these smaller and fold them in half. So that would make 8. Yeah, 8 exactly. So what do we do with the egg? Wait, let's finish that one there. We're going to smoosh the egg. You're going to mix the egg. Because this is important, because that's the only way you get a golden brown. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yes. You have to give it an egg wash. And while you do that. And then the other thing I would do to this, right before you stick it in the oven, is pour a little sugar on there. And you can even make it like colorful sugar if you want. Like if you wanted to make these each a different, color for each house, you can color your sugar in the different colors. And you can just, wash it on top. And then the last thing you do is you stab it. You stab it like this. You just have to make little air holes so it doesn't explode. Ta-da! Go ahead. And that's it. So your little pasties are ready to go. I'm just going to sprinkle some sugar on there, and they're ready to go straight into the oven. Now, what would go really good with this would be some
Butterbeer.
Butterbeer. And this is alcohol. Well, I'm going to make both versions of alcoholic and non-alcoholic butterbeer for all you guys out there. So little kids, don't do the alcoholic version, and moms and dads do the alcoholic version because obviously you have little kids. Anyway, we'll be right back with some butterbeer.